Okay. Hi guys, so I'm Delia.
I'm Paul.
So today we're just gonna be doing a little quick video on the whole Shabang shrimp from the boiling crab. So where this idea came from is that, so we're dating, obviously, I guess.
Yeah, I don't think they knew that.
So
yes.
So we always post like different things we make on our social media, like Instagram, Snapchat, blah blah blah, like all this stuff. So we always get videos like, oh, what's your recipe? So we were like, you know what? Let's make a YouTube channel and we could just put it there. So that's what we're doing.
Yes, yeah. That is what we're doing.
Yeah. Do you want to give a little bit more?
Yeah, so we always post foods on our social media, which people always tell us like, oh my god, what's your guys' recipe? Like, you guys should tell us how to make it or something like that. So we just decided to make a YouTube channel and show you guys how we make this stuff, because it tastes pretty good. So hopefully you like it. Hello again, nice to see you know, still here. So the ingredients for this, I guess we should probably point those out and tell you so you can make it. Usually it's 4 pounds, but we did 2 pounds of shrimp. So since we are doing 2 pounds, we're cutting the whole recipe in half. So you do 2 pounds of that, 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, lemon pepper. You do, I think, a tablespoon of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of Louisiana hot sauce. The normal recipe calls for 4 heads of garlic, so we just did 2. We're still cutting those up, and then 2 sticks of non-salted butter.
Unsalted.
Non-salted, unsalted, it's the same thing. It doesn't have salt. A lemon, you use 1, you put it into the water that we have boiling at the moment. And then the limes are for the dipping sauce after, because who doesn't eat limes with shrimp?
So I went ahead and split the shrimp up in 1 gallon bags, or these are the bags we got at the grocery store, right? We just asked for extra bags when we got the shrimp, so they're all spread apart, and then he's gonna go ahead and do the sauce for us.
Now we're gonna do the sauce. So we have our melted butter in our little pan, and we're just gonna add the garlic first. It is a lot of garlic. Crazy, I know. Who would have thought?
So healthy.
So we're gonna let this cook for about like maybe 3-4 minutes, and then we're gonna add in the rest of the spices. So now we're here. It's been cooking for what, about like 3 minutes?
Yes.
Garlic should be softened at this moment. I'm not gonna try it because I'm not going to burn myself for you guys. I love you, but I don't love you. But now we're just gonna toss this in. There is no real method of doing it. You can just toss the whole thing in. You don't have to like do a little at a time. Mix this all in. And then, like I said, we're gonna add this little bit of sugar and hot sauce.
What does it do again?
Wrong person, I don't know. Tastes good. But I'm guessing the sugar probably thickens it up just a little bit, and then it counterbalances all the hot stuff that we put in, aka the hot sauce and the cayenne pepper. You know? Let this cook for like 30
Don't
more
let
seconds.
it stick.
Yeah, this is the part where I said it can get burnt. This is what I meant as soon as you do this, because right now it's giving me a little pull. You need salt and pepper. You use salt and pepper. I add lime to it because lime and shrimp go together like.
Me and you.
Yes. Yes. Exactly. So. There's really, I do no real measurements. I kind of just eyeball this part because everyone tastes stuff differently. So, me personally, I like more pepper and mine, and then pretty sure she has no real preference. She might answer now that I said that because every time I say something, it's always no. But
No, you're right this time for once.
Alright. So, at the end, it should just look like salt and pepper in a bowl. I don't understand how you can mess this up. But the fun part is the lines. So, it comes to this part. You'll get like this nice little mixture of...
So that's how it's supposed to look?
Somewhat, yeah. Once you get to this part, you can add in more salt or pepper, whichever one you feel it needs. Like for that, I need more pepper. That's just me. Like I said, I like a lot of pepper.
How about this one? So we're just gonna eat our shrimp, right?
Yeah.
Just here. We forgot to make one, so we're really hungry. Just want to eat. So, yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.